Emotional closing arguments in the murder trial of Otis McKane. After 3 weeks of testimony, the jury will decide whether McKane is guilty of capital murder in the shooting death of Detective Benjamin Marconi. Eyewitness News reporter Zach Briggs joins us live with a breakdown of what went down in the courtroom today. Zach.
Well, Aaron, I wanted to make the police station feel the burn. Now, those were the words of Otis McKane, the defendant, recited by a state prosecutor in the closing arguments, which are still going on right now. Now, family of Detective Benjamin Marconi filled the courtroom to the brim today. They watched intently, some embracing each other as they watched the state and defense present closing arguments. During the state's presentation, the court was shown a photo of McCain's gun-wielding hand right next to Marconi's head, a reminder of that chaotic day on November 20th, 2016. McCain sat next to his legal team, straight-faced, occasionally touching his face and avoiding eye contact. McCain, pleading the Fifth, elected not to testify in the course of this 3-week murder trial. The defense poked at the state's arguments and evidence, questioning if some of what McCain said, quote, under his breath, one of those statements being, quote, it felt good to shoot him, end quote. And in an interview with Detective Mark Duke, McCain admitted to pulling the trigger, claiming frustrations with not being able to see his son.
It was an execution. This coward has to sneak up on somebody from behind and put the barrel of a gun directly on his head.
I think it was Plato where he said, be kind, for everyone you meet is fighting the hard battle. And what that means is you don't know what people are going through. And I think some of that applies in this case.
And as I said, closing arguments still wrapping up on the state's rebuttal side. And after that, jury will go into deliberations expected tomorrow. We'll have full coverage on that tomorrow morning. Reporting it live downtown, Zach Briggs, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.